What's up, everybody? 1996 Chevrolet Suburban, third row, uh, full leather package, clean, one owner. You know what I'm saying? Everything worked. It's just dirty. Here's the inside of it. There's the radio. There's the, well, you know. It also has rear controls, air conditioning for the air conditioning and the heat. You can see up there. I don't know if you guys can see. Camera's a little shitty. Sorry about that. All right. There's the back seat. Here's the third row. This is a real, true one-owner vehicle. Like I said, you could tell it's one owner. Just look at the top. That's clean. It hasn't been smoked in or nothing. It don't smell like cigarettes, nothing. The engine is running. See that? Got good tires all the way around. Like, shit, these are like brand new. Damn near. Well, they are brand new. Fuck. Hell yeah, they are brand new. Look at that. All right. All right. All the doors are open. The windows work. See? Right there. There's the back door. There's the trunk area. Well, the back area. Yeah, so if you got a pretty big family or you just like to have a big vehicle, this would be the right car for you. I mean, SUV for you. It is two-wheel drive, so. Yep, it's a two-wheel drive system. Oh, OBD2. Okay, it's been converted. Okay. Damn. Let's look up under the hood. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but that motherfucker is smooth, man. You can't hear shit. I mean, to give or take, the engine is a little dirty. It has 199,000 miles on it. But it runs smooth. I'm about to get in here. Ooh. Ooh, the doors is smooth too. Like, I didn't have no, you know what I'm saying? There it is, 199,367.9. Yeah, 0.9. It does have automatic lights. I think, I don't know. No, not that I know of. Anyway, there's controls right there for the rear. Matter of fact, there are two sets of controls for the rear. There's that's the ones that are located behind the front and driver and passenger seat, and these are the ones that's up front. That's here at the top. Like I said, it's not bad. It's a very nice truck. I like it. Let's see. Oh yeah, the radio's still cranked. It's missing a knob, but you know, that's just what happens when you get a used car. So, but here's the inner look of this truck. I would say it's very nice. As you can see, the engine is still idling at 0.9. No, 0.8. I'm sorry. Yep, 0.8. So it's really good. Look at that. It runs real good. Smooth. Real smooth. It's about to be out of gas. If I don't hurry up and turn this thing on. Let's see. Let's check to see if the AC blow code. Oh, damn. That shit came out cool as fuck, bro. Yeah, AC worked. So it does have air conditioning. Let's see, let's turn the air conditioning off, turn the heat on. Does have heat. Oh, let me turn that shit off. Man, it's hot. So yeah, it does have these little compartments. I guess the pieces from the oh yeah, it's from the little visor. So this was on the visor, and I guess it must have fell off because it was old. I don't know. Don't let me get the line, y'all. But this is a nice old vehicle. If you like older Suburbans, this would be perfect. You know, like I said, it runs and drives smoothly. There's no issues with it. No check engine lights. No nothing. The only indicator light that you have right now is the headlight indicator, which means, you know, just, you know, for you, when you turn the headlights on, it goes off. So, bam. See that? Bam. That's off, on, off, on. Turn it back off. All right. So I'm going to end this video. If you want to know pricing and stuff like that, just hit me up on the comments area. And, you know, if you want to come by and schedule, if you're in my town, we can work out something. All right.